Pentagon officials suggest alien mothership in our solar system could send mini probes to Earth.
Huh?
Shout out Fox News.
Oh,
Jeez,
Jesus.
what the hell was that? New research paper in draft form comes from the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office. Alien chatter, alien talk is like incredibly...
It's hot right now.
People are comfortable with it. They're like, yeah, oh yeah, the aliens. And you're like, wait, what? People used to have a really strong reaction to alien talk.
Yeah, remember Roswell?
And now everyone's like, yeah, what do you mean, aliens? Oh, those guys over there. And you're like, what?
He's chilling up in the sky.
Pentagon officials said in draft document last week that aliens could be visiting our solar system and releasing smaller probes like missions conducted by NASA when studying other planets. A draft research report authored by Sean Kirkpatrick, the director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, and Abraham Loeb, chairman of Harvard University's astronomy department, was released on March 7th and focuses on the physical constraints of unidentified aerial phenomena. And they always have to make that clear. Will, is that we're just talking about unidentified, not necessarily alien.
Yeah. So much so they changed the name of UFOs to UAPs.
UAPs.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll ever change in my
I don't
mind.
think it'll stick.
An artificial interstellar object could potentially be a parent craft that releases many small probes during its close passage to Earth, an operational construct not too dissimilar from NASA missions. The report read, these dandelion seeds could be separated from the parent craft by the tidal gravitational force of the sun. Well, listen, wouldn't that be the perfect cover, Will, is you just have organic looking craft? It just looks like an asteroid. Or let's go a step further and say, what if the entire infiltration is strictly organic in nature? In other words, the alien probes look like other nature, and the craft itself using some sort of natural forces, gravity itself. Like if you're able to harness, you understand what I'm saying here, Will?
So it's
always metal. It's always like metal and glass,
circuits.
and it's like similar to man-made things.
Yeah.
And yes, it's electronic in nature. But what if they're so advanced that they just manipulate the natural world so as to appear far more covert? You're like, that's just a big rock. It's like, is it? Mm-hmm. Is it?
Yeah. No, I hear you.
Like trees talking to each other through root systems.
Uh-huh.
What are you up to? Congress tasked NASA to find 90% of all objects near Earth that are larger than 140 meters in 2005, which resulted in Pan-STARRS telescopes, according to the report. Here's a shot of a UFO seen in a clip released by the Department of Defense. Remember when these clips came out and everyone was like, whoa. And
they're like Tic Tacs.
Tic Tac, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody was saying Tic Tac for a day.
Yeah.
But we're so bombarded now by social media and Will Smith slapping Chris Rock. You can't even stay on this for more than 5 minutes. You're just like, yep, aliens.
Because we never find out.
Unidentified. Well, this was...
I want to see an alien on a surgical table.
And then what? And then what are you going to do? And he doesn't say anything. It doesn't say anything. And then you're like, all right, back to Will Smith slapping Chris Rock at 7 p.m. Like, it's just, I don't know, nothing sticks. Everything's moving so quickly.
Dude, if the alien was on the table, yeah.
Okay, aliens on the table. What is that? What is that for you? A week's worth of interest? A month? Max?
Oh.
A month?
No.
Okay, what? At what point are you're changing the structure of your entire life over this discovery?
Yeah.
You're becoming an astronaut.
Lou Later is going to be UFO talk 24/7.
I'm calling bull crap on that.
Well,
I don't believe you. I think it's like everything else.
That's the answers to a lot of questions.
I know, but did you
everyone's going to be talking.
COVID felt that way for a while. Ukraine felt that way for a while.
I know, but from outer space, dude.
Listen, man.
Joe Rogan's talking.
I don't necessarily disagree with you that some things, the magnitude of some things should be prioritized, but it just doesn't seem to stick. Other than politics, people love politics. Like, oh my God, that sticks. 50 years of your life, left, right, up, down, blue, red.
Well, we're going to be talking about alien politics.
Blah, blah,
Space politics. You know?
No, they're above. They're beyond politics, man. Whatever they're up to, if they're moving around.
No, we're going to be talking about it, but they're going to be trying to blow up Earth or something. I don't know. Well, they're going to try to communicate
I don't
with
think
us,
they
right?
have to. I don't know what. I mean, unless we're a threat. We're not advanced enough to be a threat at this point, right? We can barely move beyond our. We're not that far along.
Yeah.
We're like, let's see if we can get a tin can to another planet.
They're just spying on us for now.
If you know, you look up at the sky, you look at these stars, if the vastness of things, there's got to be somebody further along. There's got to be not somebody, something further along in this game.
Mm-hmm.
And they're looking at us like a bunch of old folks.
Yeah.
Or young folks. I don't know. One or the other.
Yeah, these kids.
One or the other.
Yeah.
Or maybe go through cycles and extinctions and whatever else. You're like, let's see if they go to phase 22 or whatever it might be.
Yeah.
Start moving around on organic material and breaking your body into atoms and reconvening halfway across the universe somewhere else.
Like humans. They're not going to last.
Yeah.
The Chat GPT is going to rule everyone.
A bunch of meat sacks over there. They can't even, they're so heavy, dense, hard to move around.
These water balloons.
Yeah.
Rolling around.
Swollen.
Yeah, a lot of swelling.
Swollen self-gratifiers.
These swollen sacks.
I don't want anything to do with them.